we'll let you know when it goes live, but make sure to catch. Alright, it's going to be releasing our second update on 127. Harder working down the pipe. Join us on the evening of the 27th to play with the devs and you might get a free code. So to expect lots of bug fixes. You know when it goes live, make sure to jam that follow and subscribe button. Make sure to follow us on Twitch. Href equals blah. This will be at Adam. Kirk. Let's see. So Adams is this address, and I am this other address. Thanks to the Brackenwood Games team. To not receive further emails, go to here.subscribe. Yeah, alright, cool. So if we go ahead and open this in Chrome, what does it look like? We're releasing our second update, and here's what to expect. Make sure to follow us on Twitch. Adam. Make sure to follow us. Let's see. Thanks to the Brackenwood team. Excellent. So that'll be the update to template email. And we need the template text. So basically we take this crap and we paste it over here. So our work, our second update is coming down the pipe. Join us. Here's what to expect. Brand new level. And there's actually some pretty cool stuff in there. Like, didn't we get the new controller game modes, or was that last time? Yeah, like we got a whole bunch of crap fixed. Like, a brand new forest chorus level with its own original music. That's a big one. Alright, so we got those, we got the unsubscribe, we got everything going on. So excellent, that's our template. So what we're going to do is we got our header, we've got our actual send. Let's make sure that we mark this for head. Oh no, Perforce is fucked up. Alright, well we'll just restart Eclipse. Excellent. And I need to go get more energy drinks. I'm out of caffeine. That's a big problem. It's actually really funny. Like, I've worked on a lot of projects where stuff like doesn't happen. You know, like getting beta emails and communicating with your community and all this other stuff that you think would be like, you know, super standard, just falls through the cracks all the time because people just get so busy and it's nuts. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to, let's see, email template, yeah, template and text, right, like that, failed to find HTML template, failed to find that. Alright, so we got the templater. Alright, so we've got our template and everything else. We need our map. So we're going to have email in here as their actual email for this thing. So we'll be able to do everything. Failed to send email. Okay, cool. So we got all that rolling around. So what we need to do with this is it's intdb.get from beta interest. And let's just set a limit to like a lot. Let's get everybody from beta interest. So interest query. If we ever have 10,000 people in that beta interest email, I'm gonna be real happy. Let's see, in error, then we'll throw an exception. Failed to grab beta interest list. Interest query dot get reason. Okay, so and the next thing is basically so for interested person in interest query dot get array. Interested person dot email. Yes. So if interested person dot email does not equal null, and interested person dot email dot length is greater than 0. Let's see, equals null. Continue. If interested person email length is greater than 0, or less than or equal to 0, I should say. So interested person dot interest. Let's just take a look. Interest is 1 or 0. All right. Equals null. Continue. If interested person dot interest equals true, well, if it's false, then we'll continue. We'll skip over them. All right, and I'll say int sent emails equals 0. So actual sent emails, wanted sent emails. Alright, so we have the email, we've got everything in there, so let's go ahead, slr.info, wanted sent emails, only sent actual sent emails. Alright, so this will blow up right here. You must specify a template email. Good. Alright. So entitlement mailer tool. Alright, so we're looking at update 2 templates. This is going to be Brackensack update 2 is coming 127, and we're going to send that to that person. Emails doesn't exist. What we need is db equals what? Test entitlement db. Actually send equals false. Apply. Let's see, what is even in the test database for interested parties? Looks like yeah, just 3 people. So I'm okay to spam those. Alright, let's see. No such file, update to underscore templates. Update to underscore templates. Oh, data entitlements. Okay, I got the path wrong. It's beta. so sending email to blah blah and blah. Let's go ahead and actually send those emails and see what they look like. And Adam will be woken up in the middle of the night. And we'll also put a thing in here for, let's sleep 100 milliseconds between sends, just to give myself like 2 seconds to Rack and Sack update 2 is coming 127. We're releasing our second update on 127. Hard at work. Join us on the evening of the 27th. To play with the devs, and you might get a free code. Here's what to expect. Lots of bug fixes. Thanks. And I guess I should also have a thing like, hey, go to the game news page. What is the game news page anyway? I should fucking know this. But I don't. Yeah, okay, it's this one. Alright, let's just go to the dev blog. Probably that's the place to go. Yeah, that's the right place. Awesome. Okay, so that totally works. So what we're going to do is add this tool to our tools. Alright, so we got that in there. We've got this in there. And we are going to make the jobs for this. So we need the scripts so we can actually run this. So scripts. Send next tokens. Let's do beta. This will be send beta interest email. Oh god, where is this damn thing? Gotta change this file type to binary because otherwise the line endings get all screwed up on Linux. Alright, so this will be the beta interest mailer. Yeah, yeah, so we need the database is going to be 1. The entitlement doesn't matter. What's going to be there is the template, and then actually send header and template. So and this needs to be the right tool name. Alright, so header is there. That works, okay. So let's go ahead and check our stuff in. Let's see, lots of random fixes, physics overrides added, ball overrides added, level flow experiment, fixes for whatever, and this will be beta interest mailer tool. Alright, so that's checked in. So what we can do now is go kick off our tools build. We're also going to want to make a new job here, which will be based off of the send next entitlements tool. Alright, so new. This is going to be send beta interest email. What job? Send codes to next randos. Okay. So send codes to next randos is what we're basing this off of. Alright, so we're doing either prod or test for the environment. That's true. We don't have an entitlement. We don't have a recipients list. We do have a header, and we have a template. Default value. This is your email header. This is your template. At the moment, there's only going to be one choice, which is update_2. This is which email template will be used. We have another parameter, which is a boolean, which is actually send. You have to toggle this to true to actually send. Otherwise, it just prints out what it would have said. Alright, so we're then going to call scripts slash operation scripts beta. That's going to be send beta interest email.shell. And we're looking for the first one is the database, which is end. The second one, which is actually send. Actually send. The third one is the header, so that's going to be header. And the fourth one is template, which is just going to be template. Okay, so if we build that, it's going to say bracketsack update 2, template update 2, actually send. Awesome. Okay, so we got to wait for Java tools to build, and then we'll be able to push it out there, and we'll be able to test it, and then awesome. We'll be done. Is that on my list anywhere? Email blast for next update. Yeah, okay, cool. I'll mark that off. So we're almost done with that. Kind of just going for free points today. Like, I got the level stuff, but I didn't really feel like getting real deep into it, so I'm just nailing off all the little other tasks that make me feel like I'm a productive member of the team. So we'll sync those tools. It's always fun making these tools for like sending mass emails and like doing big configuration changes and all sorts of crap like this, because it can get real tense. Because it's like, well, did I screw this up? As soon as I click the submit button, thousands of people are getting emails, and the website's going to get hit, and like all this other crap is going to happen. Like, is the game running? Is everything okay? Did I actually run it? Oh, Jesus. Like, are my pants on? This is a problem. All sorts of questions get asked, and sometimes the answers are not what you expect. You're like, oh yeah, I just took down the back-end web server. And be like, well, I just sent a fucking 10,000 email blast. Like, gee, that's happened way too many times in my life. Though usually it's that the commerce people never told us what the hell they're doing. I've got a great idea. Let's never talk to anybody about what we're doing. Okay, so our interest mailer, starting beta mailer tool, attempting to load configs. Error reading thing as string. We've got the wrong name for our template. It is update2 underscore template, not update2. Alright. Loading configs. Connecting to test. It's going to want to send to ambientenergy, Sexton, and Adam. Alright. Excellent. So we're done. We got our beta mailer tool. Good to go. Let's run it against prod with our actually send as being false. Let's make sure, double check in case we email wanted to send 3, only sent 0. Okay, good. So let's do it against prod and let's see exactly how many people we would be sending to. Awesome, that looks exactly like what I would expect. So I think we're good to go. I think I'll just send Adam a message to tell him about email blast template. Mailer job for sending beta interest emails. Alright, the email templates must be put in All templates are in /beta to kick off. It's easy enough that you might be able to basically fill out the email templates and we can do fun things. You should see my quick and dirty version in your inbox. And let's send them a link to the send beta interest thing. Okay, cool. So that's totally a thing now. And works. So we are done. Alright, and I really am going to call it there because that is excellent. We have accomplished more than we wanted to today, so I'm going to declare victory and then stop working. So, thanks for sticking around, and I don't know if anybody has any suggestions about who to send the current small number of people watching to go watch something else, but I would just go back on creative and go find something else that sounds good, because everybody I know is offline. So thanks for hanging out, and have a good rest of your day.